Peep the technique.
GGV2 offers various ways to work with audio. To play audio files, use the integrated audio playlist. Add audio files by either dragging and dropping them or double-clicking on them in the File Explorer. You can rearrange the playlist by drag and drop. Click the play button. If you can't hear anything, unmute the audio master in the mixer panel. Click on the mixer panel to open it. Here, you'll see the playlist audio channel where you can adjust volume and pan. Add FX to the audio channel by clicking the FX button to open the FX rack. Click the Add FX button in the FX browser, select one to add it to the audio channel. Stack FX by adding more to the audio channel, reorder them by drag and drop, and remove them by clicking the Remove button. You can also add FX to the audio output by clicking on the Output tab to open the FX rack. It works the same way as the audio channel FX rack. To include an external audio source, click on the Audio Input button to open the panel. Select the audio input device from the list to include it in the audio mixer. Remember, videos have audio too. You can control the audio of each source in the mixer panel.